Hi there, my name is Dylan Patel. I'll be doing an online presentation on database. I'll talk about what database is, the different types of databases and their pros and cons, and then I'll talk about some of the companies that have database systems, and I'll close with an overall statement about what databases consist and provide. So what is a database? A database is known as the gathering of information that's accessible, managed, and updated efficiently and easily. So databases consist of schemas, tables, queries, reports, views, and other visual components. Electronic filing system is actually a nickname for databases, and databases can break down into three components, which are filing, records, and fields. These three components work together in order to make databases more organized and efficient. So the first component is fields, and fields is like a single piece of data or information. On the left, you see the patient's ID, their name, the date of birth, etc. And this is actually the field names, and this is like a one piece of information that you can use to categorize other pieces of information. Records is actually the complete set of data or information. So this is actually someone's last name, first name, someone's street, and you keep this all compiled in the category that was made by the field. So this is actually the information that you put in. And then files are just a collection of many records. So it makes things more organized and clean cut. You won't have to worry about your information, your data getting mixed up with other information data from another category or a business plan, say. Things can be separated and organized in this way. DBMS, database management systems, are actually pretty nice because they consist of computer software applications that have the intention to allow users to input information into database, use and create other applications, and also explore the rest of databases in order to analyze and report data usage. And different examples of the DBMSs are MySQL, Oracle, IBM DB2, and these are just three of the ones I use today. They're compatible with each other, and you can use the system with another system, but they're not portable. A little history on database. In the 1960s, a thing called Conference Committee on Data System Languages, called ASYL, was created, and it worked to develop languages using the COBOL input, and it just helped out with creating a system with languages. And in the 1970s, Edgar Codd's idea of the linked list data storage was used, and this is one of the most efficient ways to store data nowadays, and it's actually one of the reasons why he left IBM to explore his ideas. Edgar Codd's new system led to current systems such as Scalebase, Enterprise DB, and MemSQL, and these are just like the different systems used nowadays. Two types of databases that I want to talk about is online and installed. Online is actually on Wi-Fi or internet. You use it through internet, and then install is installed into your computer so that you just click and find it, and you won't have to access the internet for it. So online databases, they use internet, like I said, and there's no installations required, so you don't have to put anything on your computer. You can just access it by pulling up a web browser and getting to your software login. The advantages to online databases is that there is technical support to fix small issues that are up and occurring with many other users and yourself. Work from any place that you desire, so you can go to a coffee shop or your business or your home to work on things, and then there's no worry about updating systems and softwares because they do it for you. The technical support does it for you, or they'll tell you and you can do it yourself. Disadvantages: if you have no internet, you have no access, so you can't get to your information. It can be very pricey to buy these softwares online, and then also it can cost extra money to store your data in case, or say you have like something that's too much in storage and requires a lot of storage, well, you have to pay for more storage. Installed databases is installed onto your computer software, computer hard drive. You are basically able to buy a full software and install it into your hard drive so you can just easily access it. Advantages: it's easy to personalize and make it beneficial for you, so you can add shortcuts, applications, and files in order for you to access your data quickly, efficiently, and it's no need for internet access for it, so you don't have to worry about not having Wi-Fi. You just click on the software and you are able to access it. Disadvantages: there is no technical support included, so you would need to call someone in order to fix issues that you can't fix yourself. Memory of the computer may not be large enough, so for these PDFs and pictures that you store, you might need extra data or extra storage, and you might have to buy an external hard drive. A review on database. Database falls into three components: field, records, and files. DBMS all allow access to users to do tasks and also to store data. And Edgar Codd's idea of the list format is one of the best out there, and many people use it nowadays. Online databases, the pros is easy access, store data online, and technical support is available. Cons: no internet access, you won't have the access to your data, and it would cost money to personalize. Install: the pros for installed database is that it's stored in your computer memory, so you can personalize it the way you want, and you can have it whenever you need it. And then the cons is that it's limited technical support and a limited storage on your computer for data. So overall, database systems are very important to the success and efficiency, and also the organization of a business or your personal usage. The inputs and outputs of database systems are endless, which makes it one of the best systems to ever be created by humanity. So thank you for listening to my presentation. If you have any questions, please ask me in class, and thank you for listening.